let's take a look at the iCandy Peach 7. If you're looking for a sophisticated and stylish stroller that's ready to grow with your family, this could be the one for you. Starting with the carry cot, we've got an extendable hood with a ventilation panel at the back, which will help keep baby cool on those warmer days. Moving into the carry cot, you've got a fleece lining and a nice breathable mattress. Moving on to the chassis, we've got a really sleek and stylish design. It's got a large basket, front swivel wheels, which are also lockable, which is handy if you're going over any rougher terrain. It makes for a smoother ride. It also has a built-in ride-on board, which we will show you later. One of our favourite features is that you can also add in the height adapters, which you can use with the carry cot to bring it closer to you. So as you can see, those have just elevated the height of the carry cot, bringing baby closer to you, which makes it easier to interact with them and to get them in and out of the carry cot. So a really important factor when choosing your pushchair is making sure that the fold is really easy for you and that it's compact enough to fit in your car or wherever you may need to store it. So let's take a look at the fold. Firstly, we're going to remove the carry cot with buttons on the sides, and then it really couldn't be more simple. So you just push the button on the handle, slam it into the frame and it drops down. You have the carry strap in the middle, pull that up and the pushchair will fold, and you can also throw it over your shoulder, which makes it really easy to transport. As you can see, it's quite a compact fold for a travel system that's capable of being a double and being used on multiple terrains. Moving on now to travel system compatibility, iCandy do actually have their own car seat. This is it, it's called the Cocoon, and it comes in a range of coordinating colours with the pushchairs. It is also compatible with all of the leading car seat brands such as Maxi Cosi and Cybex. If you visit us in store, we can come up with a personalised bundle for you. Now, what we like about the iCandy one is it slots onto the adapters, but it's really easy to take off. So rather than having to push buttons, you just bring the handle back up to this position and it literally just lifts off. So your little one is growing, they've reached the 6-month mark, so you're moving them out of the carry cot into the Peach 7 seat unit. Now this can face both ways, so you can have it parent facing, or with the 2 buttons on the side, you can twist it round to have it world facing, which is great as they grow older and want to see the world around them. Like the carry cot, the seat unit also features an extendable sun canopy. It has a rotating bumper bar and a sprung harness, which makes it really easy to get little one in and out of the seats. You've also got the ventilation panel, so you can continue to keep baby cool on every journey, and you've got multiple recline positions, but if they want to nap or just find a comfortable spot. On the back of the seat unit, you've got a really handy storage pouch, which can also be removed and used as a little organiser, which is so cute. So your family is growing again, you're going to have another baby, but your little one is still in the pushchair. You can convert the iCandy Peach 7 into a double. So as you can see, we've got the converter adapters on the frame. So I'm just going to remove the seat unit and add in the height adapters, which we showed you earlier. So you're going to have these facing outwards this time, like this. And then you can pop the carry cart on the bottom the seat unit on the top. And there you have it. Thank you so much for watching. We really hope that you found this useful. If you're looking for more advice on the iCandy range, you can visit us in store at Stoke-on-Trent or Wigan, where our friendly, experienced teams will be happy to help you find the right pushchair for your needs. We offer exclusive in-store prices, personalised bundles, payment plans, price matching and free delivery.